Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Step 1. How to force restart the iPhone 7 Plus. To force restart your device, press and hold both the sleep, wake and volume down buttons for at least 10 seconds. This force restart procedure is different from previous model years since the iPhone 7 series does not have a physical home button to press down.
Let's help you make your mark.
To force restart your iPhone 7, press and hold the sleep, wake, power, and volume down keys simultaneously. Don't release the buttons when the Apple logo. When the recovery mode screen appears, release both buttons. 14 February 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
For iPhone 7 Plus. Firstly, press and hold both the sleep, wake and volume down buttons for at least 10 seconds, until you see the Apple logo. You can release both buttons after the Apple logo appears. Wait for a few seconds until your iPhone boots up and you will see the home screen.
Let's help you make your mark.
Hold Home plus Power button again for 8 seconds till you see the Apple logo, then release them after the iPhone screen turns off. Press Home plus Power button for 20 seconds, release Power and hold Home button for 8 seconds. 20 seconds later, release Home button and your iPhone 7 Plus shall load normally again. 4 February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Step 1. Press and hold the sleep, wake button and the volume down button simultaneously until you see the Apple logo appear or the Connect to iTunes message disappear when in recovery mode. Your iPhone should boot back to the lock screen. 18 September 2016.
Take our lead.
If your power button or volume down button is broken, you may not be able to perform a hard reset on your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. If your iPhone is still under warranty, the Apple Store may cover the cost of the repair for you. Go to Apple's support page to set up an appointment at your local Apple Store. 5 April 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.